Well, you don't see that every day. My dad is new to 3D printing, and one of his biggest gripes is, well,
What happened? I tried to, the head broke here and the leg broke there.
supports. They're hard to remove, sometimes they rip chunks out of the print, and when they do come off, the surface underneath usually looks terrible. Well, he just got an AMS Lite, and that opens up an interesting possibility for fixing his support problem. Using PETG supports for PLA prints. PLA and PETG apparently don't bond very well. So in theory, you can print supports with zero gap and they'll still break away cleanly. So I borrowed the printer, loaded PLA and PETG into the AMS, opened up the studio and found the support menu. Under the support menu, there's a section called Filament for Supports. And it has two drop-down menus, one for support base and one for the support interface. It's pretty simple. You just choose which material you want to use for each. For this test, I kept the support base as PLA and set the support interface to PETG. The printer is going to print the support system in PLA material, and then just before the overhang or the bridge, it will switch to PETG and create a nice PETG interface layer. All right, I printed off one with stock support settings just for reference and one with the PETG interface layer. Here's the results. So, does it work? I'd say yes and no. The surface finish is significantly improved, but ease of removal was still about the same. I was able to improve upon the quality even further by increasing the amount of interface layers. One thing I would recommend is only using PETG for the interface layer. If you set PETG to the base as well, then the printer has to change materials basically every single layer, which means more purge, wasted material, and much longer print times. I would definitely be using this if I had multi-material capabilities,